Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is elevate, 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 elevate. I need your intuition. I need your thought. I need your energy to be as high as the stratosphere, above the stratosphere, in the solar system. I need your faith to be out of this world, because when you have radical faith, then radical blessings can come your way. Do not limit your blessings by saying, oh, I'm only worth $1 million, when $1 billion is on the way. Make sure you keep your blessings in your heart open for unlimited blessings and unlimited prosperity. I free myself from fear and I trust the universe. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me, and I use my spiritual strengths to create knowledge and light. And I rise above all thought, and I rise above all doubt. That means that you hold the key to your rocket ship. Are you ready to blast off? But you must believe in yourself. You must set a destination beyond what people said is possible. You're creating the impossible, and your community awaits you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.